Hello students, in today's video session we are going to learn about what is meant by research, what are its features and what are the qualities of a good research. First let us see what is meant by research. Research is commonly known as search for knowledge, or it is a systematic inquiry aimed at providing information to solve managerial problems. So this term systematic is related to the scientific method, the idea being that the research is a process of inquiry conducted in the best or at least most appropriate way. Research is considered as careful investigation or inquiry to find out new facts in any branch of knowledge. It is an original contribution to the existing stock of knowledge, making for its advancements. Therefore, research is systematized effort to acquire new knowledge. Research is basis for making process of decision effective and more meaningful. It includes the defining of research problem formulation, hypothesis formulation, collection of data, analyzing of data, and arriving to conclusions. After the conclusions are drawn, it is also necessary to find out testing of the conclusions in relation to the hypothesis. So in overall we can say that research is movement from known to unknown, finding out something and adding some knowledge, addition to the existing knowledge is said to be the research. Next, coming to characteristics of research. The first prime characteristic of research is control. The basic of the research paper is that it should have to be controlled or measured. Everything that you add in a research is pre-planned and cannot happen just by chance. The first step in conducting a research is to choose a research topic. From that step till the end, writing the research paper, the researcher should keep control over the research study. He or she should measure the consequences of each step that they have planned to take prior to taking it. There are many factors that affect an outcome. In a study of cause and effect relationship, it is important to be able to link the effects with the causes and causes with the effects. The concept of control implies that in exploring setup your study in a way that minimizes the effects of other factors affecting the relationship. This is possible in physical sciences, whereas in social sciences like us, control as impossible. Therefore, attempts are made to quantify their impact, that is to quantify the impact of the study. The second characteristics of the research is objectivity. The research paper should contain only original content and copy work should be completely avoided. You can add literature from other sources in various forms, like in the form of literature review, but you should never compromise on the originality of the research paper. It implies that true research should attempt to find an unbiased answer to the decision making problem. The third characteristics of the research is rigorous. Research is a laborious and hard work in reality, which requires great patience and control. Research requires rigorousness to maintain its quality. There can be several factors that can affect the quality and the outcome of the research. The research should have control over these factors. Some factors will affect the research positively, while the other factors can negatively affect. Negative factors can decrease the validity of the research, so these factors should be kept in control by the researcher. The next characteristic feature of the research is systematic. This feature implies that the procedures adapted to undertake an investigation to follow a certain logic sequence. The different steps cannot be taken in a haphazard way. Some procedures must and should be followed. The research should have to be conducted and written in a logical manner. The researcher should follow a sequence so that the researcher cannot get troubled in the end as how to compile the research work. It is better to start writing the research paper as the research is being conducted. The next characteristic feature is valid and verifiable. The data the researcher adds in the research work should have to be verifiable and provable. It should be valid. The research should be able to demonstrate the research paper, and there should not be any loopholes in the information. The concept implies that whatever you conclude on the basis of your findings is correct and can be verified by you and as well as the others who are referring your research work. The next characteristic feature is reproducible. A reproducible research work is one which an equally competent researcher could duplicate, and from it deduces approximately the same results. So precise information regarding samples, methods, collection of data, etc. should be specified. The next characteristic feature of research is empirical. This means that any conclusions drawn are based upon the evidence gathered from information collected from real life experiences or observations must be dealt. It implies coherence is necessary because it makes the research work a complete and one unit. Every part of the research paper should be so linked that it makes a whole. So the evidences are the outcomes which are interpreted in the research work. It should be the original and it should be empirical. It should be based on the findings. The next characteristic feature of the research is critical. Critical scrutiny of the procedures used and the methods employed is crucial to research inquiry. The process of investigation must be foolproof and free from drawbacks. The process adapted and the procedures used must be able to withstand critical scrutiny. Then what are the qualities of a good research? As we have seen what is meant by research and what are the characteristic features of the research. Now let us see the qualities of a good research. The first and primemost quality of a good research is there should be clear definition of the research purpose. It is that one of the important character of the good research is that the purpose of the research is clearly defined. A research study with clearly defined purpose finds a wider acceptance and acknowledgement within the research community. The second quality of the research is the research process should be detailed. It is that the good research is that research method should be defined in a clear manner with sufficient detail. This will allow the repetition of the study in future or further advancement while maintaining the continuity of what has been done in the past. The third quality of a good research is limitation of the research should be revealed. It means the limitations and assumptions made by the researcher during the course of the research work carried by them should be clearly highlighted in the research. The reason is this will support the findings of the research study in case someone tries to validate the study findings. The next quality of a good research is sufficient data. Another thing to be considered by the researcher is that there should be significant data to investigate the research topic, and the researcher should carefully check the reliability and validity of the data. Findings should be logically analyzed and it should be presented unambiguously. So it says that the research design should be planned in a way that the results generated are as objective as possible. This will provide an easier understanding about the findings of the research. The next quality is conclusion. Further, in order to deliver a good research, the researcher should confine the conclusions to those justified by the data. The next quality of a good research is to maintain high ethical standards. That is, high ethical standards must be maintained. Example, it is unethical to interview children without the parents' permission, or it is unethical to intelligently collect data for another company. It is unethical to make recommendation beyond your study, and it is also unethical to publish the report if the source of the data says you should not publish it. So during the research work, high moral and ethical values are to be maintained by the researcher. Lastly, to say that good research depends on great deal on the integrity and commitment of the research.